That's right. It's a two-box break. 2015 Topps Museum Baseball, 39.79 and 39.80. Good luck, everybody. And I have copied this list. Albert B, you're on the top of the list, and Jeffrey D, you're on the bottom. I've copied that list, pasting it in to random.org, sending it through 7 times. Here's number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A lucky number 7. All right, so Robert L, you're on the bottom of the list. Brian W, you're on the top. I've copied that list. Now I'm pasting it in to our spreadsheet, and that spreadsheet is right around the corner over here in 2015 Topps Museum. Oh my gosh. Oh, here's the spreadsheet. Once again, I've fumbled the baseball. Let me see here. But I will show you that random we just had up, and you'll be able to see that random being copied and pasted into our spreadsheet again. So here it is right here, and I just want to make sure, as long as you see it's been randomized 7 times. And it's coming up over to our spreadsheet right now. Boom. And pasting in right here. Good luck, everybody. Brian W, Atlanta Braves. Jonathan G, you got the Orioles. Andrew M, the Red Sox. Jake and L, the Cubs. Oliver B, the White Sox. And Fred P, the Reds. Richard K, you got the Rockies. Daniel H, the Tigers. Matthew S.L, you and the Astros. Richard K, the Royals. Matthew S.L, the Angels. Noah H, the Dodgers. Jeffrey D, the Marlins. Tanya S, the Brewers. And Robert L, the Mets. Corey M, the Yankees. Derek C, the A's. And Richard K, the Phillies. And Anthony L, the Pirates. Fred P, the Giants. And Jeff P, the Mariners. And Corey M, the Cardinals. Joshua J, the Rays. And Corey M, you own the Rangers. William M, the Blue Jays. Jake and L, the Nationals. James R, Diamondbacks and Indians. And Robert L, the Padres and Twins. Feel free to make a trade, everybody, as we get ready to hit something big in this 2-boxer. All right, duh. Sounds like fun, man. That's going to be out of a fresh case in Insane Ink. Get a big hit coming out of this box, everybody. This is the 2-boxer. And this is box number 1 of the 2-boxer. And you know what? I can pop out everything in front of us if you want right now in this 2-boxer. I think I'll go ahead and do that. So that gives us an extra second or two for any more trades, as guys, you might want to take an extra second to make a trade or do whatever you feel is lucky. This is the 2-boxer. All right, so that's box number 1. Here's box number 2 of the 2-boxer. Anything can happen, you guys. Anything can happen. So best of luck. Get a big hit and score something amazing. Here we go. If there is no trades, I don't see a single trade. A lot of trade talks, but I don't see any trades. It's time. This is the two-boxer right here, unraveled right before our very eyes. I'm very excited about this. This one's very heavy. Ho! Ho! Oh my gosh. Nice going, Tigers owner, Daniel H. St. Louis Cardinals owner, Corey M. on the Jason Hayward. The Boston Red Sox owner, Andrew M. hits this one. What's it going to be? Oh, my goodness. Look at that Mike Trout, everybody. That is a 4 of 10. Oh, my goodness. Silver Sig. LA Angels owner Matt SL. That is a big hit, my friend. That is a big hit coming out of this brand new museum baseball. Amazing. Ho! My, oh my. Oh my gosh. That is just beautiful. LA Angels owner Matt SL has hit big. My, oh my. Magnificent. Just a magnificent hit. Yankees owner Corey M. You got the Mariano Rivera. I have no idea. That's right, dirtbag. Ho! Nice goal, man. I'm so happy I could pull that out for you. That is a big hit. Fred P., you pull that one. That is a big hitter by Corey M. You've got the Cardinals. My goodness. That was an amazing pull. We're going to look at that again at the end of the break. There is another really nice hit for the Angels owner. Congratulations, Matt SL, on your canvas pull hose. Now we got a quad right here. Look at that. Puig, Ramirez, Gonzalez, and Kershaw. LA Dodgers owner, wow. Look at that, Noah H. Would you look at that? Padres owner, nice going. Congratulations again, Lemon. That was such a nice hit. And let's see, I don't see the Padres. So this might come down to a random. I don't see the Padres. Oh, that's Robert L. who owns the Padres and the Tony Gwynn. Robert L., nice going. Red Sox owner, Andrew M., you pull the Dustin Pedroia. Andrew M. Fernando Rodney, Seattle, Jeff P., you own the Fernando Rodney. Mets owner, Robert L., you pull this one, Robert. Nice going. Congratulations. Another really nice one comes out. Atlanta Braves owner Brian W. hits this one. Mike Minor. That is a nice sig right there. 114 of 249. Texas Rangers owner Corey M. You own this one. That's 45 of 199. Corey M. Way to go. That is a gem right there. That is a gem. What a great Mike Trout that popped out. And man, oh man, we've got a lot of great hits. Daniel H., you pull the Kinsler. See, St. Louis Cardinals, Corey M. owns a Jason Hayward. And wow, would you look at that? Ted Williams, Andrew M., Ted Williams, Philadelphia Phillies owner, Richard K. You own the Franco. Yeah, that's pretty nice. 108 of 249. Nice hit right there for the Phillies owner. Congrats, Richard K. Greg Maddux for the Cubs, Jake and L. 198 of 199. Jake and L. Washington Nationals, Strasburg. Jake and L., you pulled this one. Seattle owner Jeff P. on this Hernandez, Felix Hernandez. Braves owner, way to go, Brian W. You've hit a really nice one right here. The Atlanta Braves, Phil Niekro for Brian W. Oh, man, look at this, everybody. Quad relic. Ho! 39 of 75. And that's a McCutchen, Donaldson, Stanton, and Trout. Quad auto. In Miami Marlins, Jeffrey D. Pirates, Anthony L. Matthew S.L. is in a random for this at the end of the break. And so is the Oakland A's owner, Derek C. So somebody owned the majority. It wouldn't come down to a random, but that is all four different owners coming down to a random at the end of the break. Yankees owner, Corey M. pulls the DiMaggio. All right. Milwaukee Brewers, Ryan Braun, Tanya S. Here is a Nationals, Strasburg, Jake and L. Nice one, Jake. Seattle Mariners owner Jeff P. pulls a Felix Hernandez. Ho! Thanks, sir. Oh, look at this. Victor Martinez. 30 of 35. All right. Look at that. Nice. All right. And here's the Giants owner. What do you know? That is Fred P. Willie Mays. That was quite a very nice Victor Martinez that just popped out. Man, oh man, Tigers owner, Daniel H. And we're always trying to get a low-numbered Trout. Here we go, Red Sox owner, Andrew M. Dustin Pedroia. It was a really nice one. Another Fernando Rodney. Seen a few of these. Jeff P., you're pulling a Fernando Rodney. Mets owner, way to go. That's Robert L. Blue Jays owner, William M. William M., nice jersey relic, monumentous material. 7 of 35. Nice going, William M. And Kansas City owner, you hit in on this one. What do you know? Richard K. on the Hosmer. Let's get a big hit. What's it going to be popping out of here? Oh, my gosh. We have pulled 2 case hits. I took the last one out of the last case, and pull the first one out of the new one. And we've just pulled 2 frames in the 2-box break. That is amazing. Jeffrey D, you're pulling this one. Oh, my gosh. Sandy Koufax comes out. And what do you know? That's a really nice Sandy Koufax for the L.A. Dodgers owner, Noah H. Ho! What's it going to be, everybody? Washington Nationals owner Jake and L hits the Bryce Harper. Ho! Oh, my! Sandy Koufax, 9 of 10. Silver Sig. Wow. Silver frame, Silver Sig, Sandy Koufax auto pops out. That is a 9 of 10. Congratulations. That is a beautiful hit to have. L.A. Dodgers owner Noah H. Congratulations. Wow, what a nice hit. That is big, everybody. And Noah H., you have hit the Sandy Koufax. Toronto Blue Jays owner William M. You picked this one up. Nice going, everybody. And we have one final random to do right here to find out who's going to come away with this. Nice hit indeed. 39 of 75. What an amazing 2-box break that was. And we still got a big hit yet to be determined. So good luck, everybody. And we're going to find out who gets this one. We're going to send it through the randomizer. And Miami Marlins are you going to start off at the top of the list, Jeffrey? Anthony L. You got the Pirates, so you got a shot at this. Then we also have L.A. Angels owner Matt S.L. And then also we have the Oakland A's owner Corey M. Let me see. Sorry, Derek C. All right, so here it is, 7 times through the randomizer. Good luck, everybody, as we go ahead and find out what is going to happen next. What in the world is going to happen next? Score something big. And I'm going to go ahead. There's our four owners. We're going to send it through 7 times. Winners at the top of the list after 7. Here we go, 1. I'll zoom in now for number 2. 3, 4, 5, 6. Lucky number 7. Matt S.L., you come away with this one right here. The luck is with you today, Matt S.L. My goodness. So this one's yours, Matt. Nice hit right there. Museum collection. Oh, you got luck with you, man. You got good luck with you, and that's what it takes. But I'm certainly happy to do it. And I want to get everybody a big hit. 2 Mike Trouts like that is really, really just amazing. Yeah. 2 Mike Trouts. We had a Sandy Koufax. Wow. Lots of big hits come out of every single box here at Friendly Box Breaks. That was quite a box right there. 39.79, 39.80.